Hello everyone out there. How are you doing? Hello little pundit. How has been your summer holiday? Hope it has been so fantastic. Okay, today we'll be looking at the topic lowest common multiple, otherwise known as LCM. Lowest common multiple, otherwise known as LCM. Like the acronym for lowest common multiple is LCM. All right, in finding the LCM of numbers, there are different methods you can use. We have the multiple method. We also have the prime factor method, the multiple method, the prime factor method. Now, the multiple method is the easy method for grade 3, grade 4, grade 5 a little bit, and the factor method is more convenient for grade 5 to grade 9. I mean, from 5 to JSS3. This because when you are using the multiple method, it's always not too convenient for large numbers. And you know that as you progress in the study of mathematics, numbers become larger. So you don't expect the numbers you played with in primary 2 to be the same number you are going to encounter when you get to primary 6 or JSS1. All right, so that is why the factor method has be proving more convenient for higher levels, higher basic and middle basic. All right, so however, I'm going to start with the multiple method. Yeah, let's begin with the lower level. Let's start with the multiple method. Now, when you are using the multiple method, all you need to do is to find the multiple of the given set of number. Just before I proceed, I want to make it clear here that you only find LCM for a set of numbers. You only find LCM for a set of numbers. You don't find LCM for just a given number. This is what I mean. You can find LCM of two numbers, let's say 4 and 5. You can find LCM of three numbers, let's say 4, 5, and 10. But you cannot find the LCM of just 4 alone. Okay, let's take the very first example using the multiple method. We are asked to find the LCM of 4 and 5. The LCM of 4 and 5. All you need to do here is to write out the multiples of 4. When we say multiples of 4, you keep on multiplying 4 probably up to the first 10 multiples. The reason why I recommend first 10 multiples so that you can get to a length of numbers where you can compare. Because most times when you are finding the LCM, you maybe do it up to 5 times, you may not get a common multiple. So as to comfortably do it at one run, you do it up to 10 times. But I'm not saying that by the first 10 multiples you are sure of getting the LCM. I'm saying most times it's good to have a very good length of numbers so you can compare. So let's start with the first 10 multiples of 4. 4 times 1 is 4, times 2, 8. Okay, times 3 is 12, times 4, 16, times 5, 20, times 6, 24, times 7, 28, times 8, 32, times 9, 36, times 10, 40. We are doing the same thing for the multiples of 5. The multiples of 5. Of course, this is 5. We can easily count to 5. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, of course, 50. Now, when you've done this, the next thing to go ahead is to find the common multiple. When we make common multiple, we are saying which number do we have in this set of multiples that is also here in this set of multiples. So we do have 4 here, or we do not have 4 here. We have 8, there is no 8. We have 12, there is no 12. We have 16, there is no 16. We have 20, here comes 20. We have 20, we also have 20 here. We have 24, but no 24. 28, no 28. 32, no 32. 36, there's no 36 here. But we have 40, which is also here. All right. So at this moment, we have two common multiple in this set of numbers. We have 20 and we also have 40. Our question is to get the LCM, which is the lowest or the least. The lowest or the least. And between these two numbers, the lowest number between these two numbers is 20. So 20 becomes the LCM of 4 and 5. So just grab this in a moment. I'm going to give you another example which requires us to find the LCM of three given numbers, a set of three given numbers. 6 and 9. 3, 6 and 9. The same progression happens here. The same progression happens here. The first thing to do is to find the multiples of 3. Remember, this is not the time you begin to look for a book that has a multiplication table behind. Now, this is not the time you start counting. You have your fingers, you can help. You just begin to add up 3, keep on adding 3, keep on adding 3 up to the 10th time. All right, so 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Times 3 is 9. You add another 3, you can have 12. You add another 3, 15. Another 3, 18. Another 3, 21. Add another 3, 24. Add another 3, 27. Add another 3, 30. This is the 10th times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing goes for multiples of 6. You had the 6 times 1 is 6. Add another 6, 12. Add another 6, 18. Another 6, 24. Another 6, 30. 36. 42. 48. 54. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 3 numbers there, so we'll do the next multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, but this is not all there is. It can be continued, but we are using the first 10 multiple. So the next thing to do, you find the common multiple. Now, you check out, we have 3 numbers. So what is common here? That is also here. That is also here. This particular number must appear in the 3 given numbers. This particular number must appear, must be seen here, must be seen here, must be seen here. So we have 3, but we do not have 3 here. We do not have 3 here. We have 6. We have 6 here. But that does not mean it's common because there is no 6 here. 6 is common in just 2 numbers, but yet it's not here. It therefore means it's not a common multiple for the 3 given numbers. We have 9, but there is no 9 here. But there is 9 here. But because there is no 9 in the multiples of 6, we can't pick it as a common multiple. So that is off. We have 12. We have 12. Yet no 12 here. Not accepted. We have 15. There's no 15. There's no 15. We have 18. We have 18. We have 18. Hooray! We got you one. We have 18. 18. 18. We've got you one. So let's see if there's another. 21. No 21. 21. Okay. 24. 24. Nah. 27. No 27. No, there's 27 here, but there's no 27 here. 30. 30. No, not 30. So from our given multiples, remember I said your multiples can increase. If we increase these multiples, like say up to 20 times, we may definitely find another common multiple. Yeah. Yeah, if you increase another common multiple here will be 36. But let's just go ahead with what we have: 18, 18, 18. Now the common multiple here is 18. That is also the least common multiple because it's the smallest. It's the least common multiple. So we are not meant to find the highest, so that will not make us to increase. So when we are increasing, we are getting a higher number. Since we already have just a single number, this is already the least common multiple. So friends, I would like you to go through the video. You watch and watch and watch, and as you are doing so, you give yourself numbers. The numbers are limitless, so this is not all there is with numbers. So give yourself numbers and try some workings, yourself. And if you are doing that, you encounter a challenge, you have a question, do not hesitate. That is the answers of the comment section. Drop your question there, on the comment section, and definitely they or it will be responded to. All right, and do well to share. Do well to share. Let your friend know there is a social handle like this where you can learn math and where math is being simplified. And always remember that you are capable of carrying out that task. You are capable of carrying out that mathematical task. So don't run away. It's that phobia of math should fade off. Should fade off because you are really capable of doing it. All right. Some other time. Bye for now.